Hello everyone, how are you? Hope so you all are good. This is Nitu Batish and in this video I will teach you conversation with kids. Today I have bring a new object for the student. So today I will teach you on our body. Our body, okay? How many body parts do you have? Then you can tell to the student, firstly check yourself, okay? First, you have eyes, nose, lips, teeth, tongue, hands, arms, foot. We have many parts of the body. Yes, हमारी बॉडी हेड से स्टार्ट होती है और टोज तक खत्म होती है, फिनिश होती है. देन द टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ अवर बॉडी इज हेड. Then you can ask question about head first. Okay. Firstly, you can ask, beta, this is head, and what is inside your head? Okay. If student know, then they will say, ma'am, I have brain, I have mind. Yes. If they don't know, then tell to the student. Okay. Tell to your children that we have brain inside our head. We have brain inside our head. Then you can ask to the student, if you have brain, beta, then what do you do with your brain? What do you do with your brain? I think with my brain. What do you do with your brain? I think with my brain. ये हम बच्चों को क्यों सिखा रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमने बच्चों के इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करनी है. अगर मैं भी आपको 10 सेंटेंस दे दूं, ठीक है, बट अगर हमने एडवांस इंग्लिश करना है तो हम सेंटेंसेस दे सकते हैं अगर हमें पहले से इंग्लिश आती है. बट अपने बच्चों को अपने को फ्लुएंट करना है इंग्लिश में, ताकि वो मीन्स स्टक ना हो, ऑल टाइम दे स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. देन वी हैव टू आस्क ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन. मीन्स क्वेश्चन के बाद हम क्वेश्चन पूछते जाएंगे. देन दे गेट हैप्चुअल. ओके, चाहे वो वन वर्ड में आंसर दे, चाहे वो फुल सेंटेंस में आंसर दे, इट विल ओके, बट दे हैव टू रिप्लाई. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज what I am saying about the head. Yes, so what is inside your head? Brain. What do you do with brain? I think with my brain. Okay, then after you can say, beta, can you see my brain? Oh, I can't see your brain. Then you can ask, beta, why we can't see the brain? Because brain is a internal body part. आप एक्शन के साथ बताओ. ब्रेन इज अ इंटरनल बॉडी पार्ट. ओके, ब्रेन इज अ internal body part. Okay, then you can ask, beta, which body part control all the activities? So brain is a master of our mind. Yes. Okay, so after that we can say about eyes. Okay, अगर हम ऐसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, then if they have a body part concept in written, then they can also learn this. Okay, orally they can learn, but written part is also complete if we will speak according to the body parts. Next is eyes. Then you can say, beta, how many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? Then tell to the student, count first. 1, 2. Then tell, again ask, beta, how many eyes do you have? Then they will say, ma'am, I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. Okay, then say, beta, see, what is this? वो नेम बताएंगे, मैम, दिस इज अ फ्लावर, दिस इज अ पिक्चर. देन यू कैन से, बेटा, हाउ डू यू गेट नो दैट इज अ फ्लावर? विद योर आईज. विद योर आईज, बिकॉज वी यूज अवर आईज टू सी. वी यूज अवर आईज टू सी. देन यू कैन आस्क, बेटा, व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ योर आईज? देन दे कैन से ब्लैक. इफ दे हैव ब्राउन, देन दे कैन से ब्राउन. ओके, आफ्टर दैट you can come on your nose. Nose. What do you do with nose? I smell with my nose. I take breathe with my nose. I take breathe with my nose. Okay, so how many nose do you have? I have only 1 nose. You can ask your student, beta, touch your nose and count your nose. Then ask, beta, how many nose do you have? I have only 1 nose. Okay, then after you can ask, beta, how many nostril? पहले उनको बताना है कि that is a nostril. Nostril. How many nostril do you have? Then count. Let them count. 1, 2. Then tell to the student, beta, we have 2 nostril. Yes, we take breathe through the nostril. After that you can ask about ear. we have 2 ears. Then you can ask, beta, what do you do with your ears? I can hear with my ear. I can listen with my ear. Okay. After that you can ask, beta, what is this? Which body part is this? That is a tongue. That is a tongue. What do you do with the tongue? I can taste with my tongue. I can taste with my tongue and I can speak with my tongue. Then our children will ask me, Mama, how we can speak with my tongue? Then उनको कोई भी आप एक word दो, उनको बोलो बेटा ये बोल के देखो, then your tongue touch with your teeth. Okay? So your tongue also move when you speak. So अगर आप practically बच्चों को साथ साथ में बताते जाओगे, then they can get easily the concept. Okay? I can taste with my tongue. How many tongue do you have? I have 1 tongue. How many tongue do you have? I have 1 tongue. What is the color of your tongue? The color of my tongue is pink. Today when you go to home, check in the mirror. What is the color of your tongue? Okay? So parents को भी पता चलता है कि बच्चे आज कुछ न्यू सीख के आए हैं, कुछ अलग से कुछ पूछ रहे हैं या कर रहे हैं. Yes. So next is, after that you can ask, beta, what is this? Teeth. Yes. What is the color of your teeth? White. Okay. Then you can ask, beta, your teeth is soft or hard? Then tell to them, beta, touch your teeth. Yes. Then they will say, ma'am, hard. Hard. Okay. After that you can say, what do you do with your teeth? I chew with my teeth. I chew with my teeth. Okay. After that you can say, beta, which body part is this? These are hands. Which body part are these? These are hands. What do you do with your hands? Ma'am, I write with my hands. I catch with my hands. Yes. I eat with my hands. तो उनको पता भी चलेगा कि हम हैंड से एक्टिविटी क्या करते हैं, एंड देन दे गेट नो दैट दीज आर हैंड्स. ओके. एंड हाउ मेनी फिंगर्स डू यू हैव? वी हैव 10 fingers. Yes. How many thumb do you have? We have 2 thumb. You can ask to the student these questions. Okay. After that you teach to the student tips about tips. What is this? Which body part is this? These are tips. Tips. Okay. And tell about nails also. Yes. And you can ask to the student, beta, which body part we can cut easily and you don't feel pain? This is a understanding based question. Okay. So you can tell to the student, beta, nail and hair. If I will cut your finger, then you feel pain. Yes. But if I cut your hair and nails, do you feel pain? No, because we can cut these body parts. Yes. After that you can say, which body part is this? Arm. Arm. Okay. After that you can say, what is this? Which body part is this? Elbow. Elbow. Okay. After that you can tell to the student about legs. Okay. Which body part is this? Legs. Yes. What do you do with your legs? I walk with my legs. I jump with my legs. Yes. And I stand on my leg. After that you can say, how many foot do you have? Feet. I have 2 feet. Okay. Then after आप उनको toes के बारे में बताओगे. Toes. We have 10 toes. Okay. ये सभी तो हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स हो गए. इसके बाद हम उनको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा में बताएंगे बॉडी पार्ट के रिलेटेड, जैसे इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल बॉडी पार्ट्स. फर्स्टली वी विल टेल टू द स्टूडेंट, बेटा, टेल मी द बॉडी पार्ट्स दैट यू कैन सी. Yes, tell to your student, tell to your children, beta, touch your body part that you can see or touched. Okay. Then do with this work with an activity. Okay. So first is tell to the student, beta, can you see my eyes? Yes. Can you see my nose? Yes. Can you see my hands? Can you see my legs? Yes. These are external body parts. These are external body parts. Okay. What do you mean by external body part? Which we can see and touch. Which we can see and touch. Okay. Is it clear now? After that, you can teach them internal body parts. Internal body parts. Now you can tell to the student, beta, can you see my brain? No, ma'am. Why? Because this is inside the body, inside the head. Yes. Then you can tell, beta, can you see my heart? No, ma'am. Why? Because this is inside our body. Can you see my lungs? No, ma'am. Can you see my bones? No, ma'am. Why? Why you can't see? Because these are internal body parts. Because these are internal body parts. Yes. Definition. अब हमने उनको डेफिनेशन भी तो बतानी है ना उसकी कि इंटरनल बॉडी पार्ट्स कौन सकते हैं. ओके. द बॉडी पार्ट विच वी कांट सी. हमने इजी से इजी बतानी है, टफ से टफ तो हम बता सकते हैं, बट हम बच्चे हमारे छोटे हैं तो इनको हमने मीन्स इजी से इजी वे बताना है ताकि वो उस चीज को मीन्स वन वर्ड में ही कैच कर सके. ठीक है. विच बॉडी पार्ट वी कांट सी दैट आर इंटरनल बॉडी पार्ट्स. विच इज द हार्डेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी? Bone. Then you can say, beta, touch any bone. See, you can touch this. Yes, you can touch. They can touch their backbone also. Tell to the student to touch your hardest body part. ठीक है. Bone. Okay, backbone. They can touch. They can touch here. They can touch here. Okay. So ये भी हमको पता होना चाहिए कि हमारा hardest body part कौन सा है. After that, which body part cover our bones? Skin. ठीक है. कैन यू सी माई बोन्स? नो. वाई? बिकॉज दीज आर इनसाइड. यस. एंड इसको किसने कवर किया? हमारी स्किन ने. ओके. तो फर्स्ट सेंस ऑर्गन इज आईज, नोज, टंग, ओके, ईयर एंड स्किन. वट स्किन टेल्स अस? स्किन हेल्प अस टू फील. स्किन हेल्प अस टू फील. ओके. तो आप बच्चों को बोल सकते हो जैसे कि बेटा व्हेन योर मम्मा गिव यू अ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क. यस. तो अगर आप उसको टच करते हो, दिस इज अ ग्लास. अगर मम्मा बोलते बेटा प्लीज टेक द ग्लास. ठीक है. ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क. प्लीज टेक द ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क. एंड व्हेन यू होल्ड द ग्लास, आप बोलते हो कि मम्मा ओ इट्स वेरी हॉट. यस. ओ यस मम्मा इट्स कोल्ड मिल्क. है ना. आपको कैसे पता चला कि जो ग्लास है डेट इज हॉट और कोल्ड? ठीक है. जब आपने टच किया तो टच करके हमारी स्किन ने हमें क्या बताया डैट कि वो हॉट है या कोल्ड. ओके. तो अवर स्किन हेल्प अस टू फील. सो अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो देन प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं इस टाइप की और भी वीडियोस आपके लिए लेके आऊं देन प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड सपोर्ट माई चैनल. थैंक यू.